Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi. AirPlay won't work across different networks. Once done, enable AirPlay on the Apple TV in settings so it accepts connections. On an iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. On a Mac, click the AirPlay icon in the menu bar. Then select your Apple TV from the list. If a passcode appears on the TV, enter it on your device to pair and proceed. Next, decide whether you need full screen mirroring or app-level AirPlay. App AirPlay streams video or music more efficiently. Screen mirroring duplicates everything on your device. Once connected, make sure the TV's aspect ratio and overscan are correct via Apple TV settings so text and UI aren't cut off. On a Mac, you can choose to mirror or use the Apple TV as a separate display for extra workspace. Also check volume on both devices. AirPlay follows the device volume unless adjusted on the TV. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or click the AirPlay icon on your Mac and disconnect. You can also press the Home button on the Apple TV remote to return to the home screen. Make sure playback and volume respond and that apps aren't blocking external display. If things go wrong, restart the router and Apple TV, confirm both devices run current software, and verify AirPlay is enabled in Apple TV settings. That single restart often resolves discovery and connection errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.